Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to add playing game on Discord mobile. So in order to display or customize your status on this or Discord, what you'll have to do is you need to go ahead and check your internet connection first of all, and then log in into your Discord account. Once logged in, tap the tab bar icon from the top left and go to your profile from the bottom right hand side corner. Here click the gear icon which is located right on top, and after that scroll down a bit and go to privacy and safety. What you can do is you can either enable active status or you can simply turn off active status. Now if you enable this following feature, then what happens is that whatever you are playing or whatever you're doing on Discord will be displayed automatically on your status. But if you want a particular thing as playing a game on Discord, then what you can do is you can simply disable this following option, and then you'll need to go to your profile page, and from here you can go ahead and select add status button. In my case I've already added status, so here you can go ahead and select the duration as well, and then click the save button. As soon as you've done that, the following status has been added, and that's basically how you can add playing a game on Discord mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.